Here's the Xbox. Turn the power on. Loads up the Xbox screen. Then loads the mod screen. Comes up with the mod menu. Go down to emulators. And we'll go to the N64, so the NES emulator, the SNES emulator. Go select game. There's a whole list of games. We'll go down to Super Mario Kart, because that's my favorite game. As you can see, works just like normal.